Fly away, hummingbird. Fly away. I got it.
Got it in your hand?
Yeah. I do wanna hurt it. I don't know if it will fly away.
How the hell you do that? Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, I track it down.
He wants to stay with you now.
No, he's tired. He's all dehydrated. I don't know if it can drink some water or something.
Taking his picture.
Yeah, I take a video of it. I let it fly till it fell down over there because it was tired. Now where do we put it? Ready to go. Come on.
Put it where that turtle was getting.
Come on, little one. Come on. Come on. Oh, hummingbird. It's okay.
Oh, I'll try.
Come on. Are you tired now? Let's see if you can get something to film. Let's go fly. Come on, hummingbird. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, you're free. Ah! Yeah.